Children. So next we will go through an example problem, a word problem. So this is very important. So here listen carefully. The problem is 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of the number by 4. Find the number. So here, so we know if you don't know what is given in the problem or which number we don't know according to the problem, we will take as x. So a number given. So instead of this we are taking x. Then again the given 4/5. So 4/5 nothing but 4/5. So 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4. 3/4 nothing but 3/4 of a number by 4 means this number is greater than 4 to this number. So we have to find out what is the given number. Right. Listen carefully. So first take means let the number be x. So in this 4/5 of a number, 4/5 of a number means 4/5 times of a number nothing but. So 4x by 5 say 3/4 of a number means 3/4 times of a number means 3x by 4. So this number is greater than 4 to this number means from given data means according to given problem from data 4x by 5 is equal to 3x by 4 plus 4. Right now both sides we are having variables. So that's why these all variables transpose to the left side. 4x by 5 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 4. Now LCM of denominators. The denominators here 4 and 5. So 5 for LCM 20. So with 5, 20 we will get 4 times. 4 4s are 16, nothing but 16x minus with 4, 5 times, 4 5s are, again 5 3s are 15x is equal to 4. Now cross multiplication means this 20 transpose to the right side. So 16x minus 15x, x means 1x by 20 is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 4 into 20. So that x is equal to 4 20s are 80. Therefore, the required number is 80. So listen here. Once we will check the answer is right or wrong. See once 4/5 of a number. Actually the number is 8. In that 4/5 part means 4/5 into 8. So 5 ones are 5 16s are 8. So 16 4s are 64. So how much we are getting the answer? Say 3/4 of the number, and if you add 4 again you have to get 64 only. So see 3/4 into 80 plus 4. 4 ones are 4 20s are 3 20s are 60. 60 plus 4 64. So we are getting the both conditions same answer. So the required number is 80. So the word problems, first you have to make the equation and follow these instructions, these rules. So the next exercise problem, before going to exercise, two example problems we will discuss. See, okay, so next problem is, I am taking one example problem. X by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. So again we are having both sides, on both sides variable. So same x by 2, this x by 3 transpose to the left side, x by 3, then 1 by 2, this minus value will become plus 1 by 4. Then again LCM. So 2 and 3, 6 LCM. 2 3s are again 3 into x 3x minus 3 2s are 2 into x 2x. And again here also LCM. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So here into 2 times, 2 ones are 2. Here with 4 one time, 1 ones are 1. So now 3x minus 2x is 1x, nothing but x, that is equal to that x by 6, that is equal to 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 4. Again cross multiplication, then x is equal to 3 by 4 into 6. Now here we will get cancellation into table, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. So x is equal to 3 3s are 9 by 2. So this is x value. Right. So now, so after this, next we will discuss one more example. But this is the different problem. Right. So here, carefully. So this is another time. 7y plus 2 by 5 is equal to 6y minus 5 by 11. So when the given problem in a fractional form, means fraction form, first we have to do cross multiplication. Means with 11 we have to multiply this numerator, and with 5 we have to multiply with this numerator. So 11 into 7y plus 2, then 5 into 6y minus 5, then 11 into 7, 77y, again plus 2 into 11, 22 is equal to 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30, means 30y, minus 5 5s are 25. Now we know that all variables one side, 77y minus 30y is equal to minus 25. This 22 transpose will become minus 22. 77 minus 30, 47y. 25 minus 22. So 20, 20, 40, 5 to 7 means minus 47. Then this 47 transpose to the right side. Then y is equal to minus 47 by 47, because here multiplication. So 47 ones are, 47 ones are. Then y is equal to minus 1. So this is y value.